Hey guys, I bet your heart sinks when you see a video start with my Panavice in the foreground. For surely that's a tripod, and for damn sure I'm gonna babble. But I seriously, I have a few questions about CW, a couple hints, and a few questions for you. Okay, I'm gonna stick you on the tripod and look at my hidden cheat sheet. Hang on. Okay. For this question I have for you, I've turned my keyer speed down a little bit, and it'll be hard for you to hear probably, but I'll issue a speed command. 17 words per minute. Okay. I'll space it out way down. I'll space it out. And by the way, historically, everybody used the Farnsworth method back in the day. It's just that we didn't have a name for it. I think in the beginning, when I was learning CW and I was right at the 5 word per minute level, I think I used to actually prefer to hear the characters that sent at 7 or 8 words per minute but spaced out to 5. Anyway, I'm going to send the word antenna. And my tip for you, if you get confused in the middle of the word antenna, pause and then finish it. I think I've said this in the last video actually. But if you're going to send antenna and you have a brain fart after the ANT, pause. The guy on the other end will be fine with that. And yeah, and if you make a mistake, what if you send ANTENMA, antenna? Again, the guy on the other end's fine with that. Okay. I'm going to pause you and set the keyer to my favorite speed for rag chewing. Hang on. Okay, I'll issue a speed command. That's perfect. That's what I like. 21 words per minute. 20 is a tad slow. 22. I have to think too fast. I'm too lazy. And so, 21 words per minute. I'm going to space it out. And my question for you guys, whether you're working on increasing your speed, if you're really slow, like, just a few words a minute, and you're working away at it, or if you're able to copy faster, like maybe 8 or 10 words a minute. I'm whistling right now. What I'm wondering is, if I use these fast characters sent at 21 words per minute, 21 word per minute characters, but spaced way out, whether you're writing the characters down or trying to copy in your head, it doesn't matter. I wonder if you could copy this. I'm going to send, hi, my name is Chuck, but I'll space these characters out for you, okay? Whatever method you like to copy, could you copy this? Here we go. Oops, that was too fast. I'm sorry. I'm used to sending. Let me take my glasses off. I can see my hand better. Okay, that was too fast. Here we go. Could you copy this? Could you copy that? Sent that spaced out that far? What if I space it out a little less? What if I say, I don't know, laptop? Could you copy that? curious about that. Because I don't, it's been so long since I learned CW, you know what I mean? I made a mistake in a previous comment or whatever. I said that I had experienced both a 10 word per minute and a 15 word per minute, but the 15 word per minute wasn't as bad. I take that back. In fact, my 15 word per minute plateau was just awful. It was a 10 word per minute. It stopped me for a little while, yeah, but it wasn't terrible. The 15 word per minute one was. And, I was a youngster. I was a teenager at the time. So I obviously hadn't yet had my first stroke. And only stroke, I hope. I had a normal brain. And where was I going with that? God, I forget where I was going with that. Dang it, Bobby. Anyway, oh yeah. Even though I had a normal brain, that 15 word per minute plateau was a bugger. And when I went to bed one night and when I woke up, I went to copy the ARRL practice bulletin the next evening. And boy, I could copy 15 without a problem. And most of 18. And that's how it's gone for me. Another tip, I don't know if you're new to CW, but it's not courtesy, but it's common practice for somebody to send a dit at the end of the conversation or QSO or contact. I hear it even occasionally done in a contest if the person enjoyed your contact, And if you're a newbie to CW, the last word out of your lips doesn't have to be your call sign. It never is for me, What is? A 73 and a dit. Okay, I'm going to pause you and flip my hidden sheet of scribbage. I know why some of this sounds familiar, because I recorded another video and hated it and deleted it. Okay, tip. Should you repeat a word because you blew the last letter? No. No, loosen up, man. Here's CHUCG. Chuckig. Chuckig. If I sent name here is Chuckig. Would you know what I said? Of course. Okay. Next comment. These and I'm sorry about the coffee stained hidden cheat sheet, for I was mid swallow on a cup of delicious lukewarm coffee swill this morning, and something made me laugh when I blew it all over my rag. my pretty Yasu. So I gave it its first facial cleaning. I gave it a facial cleaning. And this is what I want to talk about. I don't know what you want to call that. To me, that's a Boolean algebra not sign. But, okay, the first, let's hide that. AR. I don't show you what an experienced ham is. I'm not sure what I think it means end of transmission, reply expected. A and R run together. You don't say ARK. That's redundant. You know what I mean? If you like saying, go ahead, I expect you to answer, go ahead. AR. I'm going to turn my speed down a tad for you. Let me test. Yeah, there we go. AR. Next one, SK. Oh, I'm not looking at my hand. SK. It means you're close. It means you're done. How to word that? You know what it means. It means you're done with a QSO. You're going, yeah, you're done with that QSO. You're out of there. You'd send it before your call. Okay. AR is, man, AR is used by the old farts a lot. Not so much by newer hams, and I don't use it. I never have. Not once in my life. In 47 years have I used AR. You know what I mean? I'd rather use less formal language like GN for good night or GE for good evening or CUL for see you later. SK, I have used it in the past a few times, but really no. I mean, if I say 73 from November 8, November Kilo, it's pretty obvious that I'm saying goodbye to you. I'm not a very formal ham. CL. Actually, CL, oddly, they don't run it together. I have not really often heard it run together. I have a hard time sending it. Oh, no, I don't hear that. It's sent separate. Oh, I'm not used to sending this slow. You know, clear, to me, it means almost the same as SK. I don't know if SK is typically used when you're, oh, CL, closing. That means you're closing. I'm sorry. You're closing down for the day. The last one I have is if you're new to CW, I mentioned it a lot. I often, if not usually, if almost always, end a QSO with TU and a dit. That's exactly how I send it. Man, it's becoming very common for people to run T and U together, which forms an X. Instead of sending TU dit, they'll send X dit. I can't. I guess it's a time saver. What do you guys say? What say you? Do you like TU dit? Or X dit? What say you? Delicious Taipei lunches. Perfect for your Asian hungers. General Tso's spicy chicken. Not my favorite. There's an even better one. Chicken fried rice. Taipei Asian lunches. For your Asian hunger needs. Hang on. Well, guys, that's all I have for now. I'm babbling now, so I thank you for watching, and hopefully something I said will be of some use to a future CW op. And to address one of the comments, you said, sir, that you're still learning CW. I paraphrase, you're still learning CW. You said that you're working on your speed and you're stuck at the 10 p.m. plateau. End of paraphrase. Dear sir, not to be a dick, but you're a CW op already, man. Congratulations. Congratulations, sir. And on a serious note, congratulations, man. You're a real CW op, my friend. And my hat's off to you for working on your speed. Takes a lot of work, takes a lot of dedication, and oftentimes sacrifice if you have a family. Sure does. but you will not regret it. You will not regret it. I promise you. Be well, 73 guys, and have some fun every day. Bye now.